In this video, very fast, I just want to share with you some tips on how you can improve the performance of your Shopify store. Now, I just want to add a disclaimer here. I'm no professional by any means. I'm just sharing with you my tips, from my experience. Like, it's no like professional advice. So, by saying that, by also, including this disclaimer, I also want to add, make sure also when you hire a professional to optimize your website, your store, because they can use some tricks, some things that, in my opinion, is not good for your website to rank your website, and it's simply Google rank, but it's just using really tricks to do that, but in the long run your is not going to do any good to your website. So just be careful, because you can really make it look like just fake it pretty much. So yeah, just be careful. Just That's just one advice. Now the second advice I'll share with you, and in my opinion is, I think, is the biggest. Now there's so many other things that you can do, of course. There's probably things that I'm not even aware that, but it's one thing that I'm really careful when I'm installing apps, right? That's so important because this can really impact the performance, the speed of your website. So make sure when you go to settings here and you click on settings, and here you click on apps and sales channels, make sure you don't have apps here that is not like going to increase the conversion, this other like the really important things, the way your website looks. Make sure you don't have apps here that you simply don't need. I just install them, you test them, which that's something I do as well. I test them out, but there maybe you just forgot to delete that app. So I just wanted to share um, that with you in this short video. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope it was going to save your time later on. Thanks for watching.